Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel once again. So today we have an interesting math problem to resolve. We have the square root of root 9 minus root 8 and we want to simplify this. So let's start with the inner square root. We have square root of, the square root of 9 is 3 minus square root of 8, which can be split as 4 times 2. So we have the square root of 3 minus square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 root 2. So from here, we have that a minus b all squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So from here, our square root of 3 minus 2 root 2 can be the same as 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2 times root 1. So it simply means that the square root of 3 minus 2 root 2 is equal to the square root of 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2 times root 1. So from here, our a is equal to root 2, while our b is equal to root 1. We then have the square root of a is root 2 and b is root 1. So we have 2 remember this is a squared, so we have 2 minus 2 root 2 times root 1 plus 1. So this simply means we have the square root of root 2 minus root 1 all squared. So this square root cancel this. We have root 2 minus root 1. So from here, but root 2 is equal to 1.414. So our final answer becomes root 2 minus root 1, which is equal to root 2 minus 1. So we have 1.414 minus 1, which is 0.414. So the square root of root 9 minus root 8 is equal to root 2 minus 1 or 0.414. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.